sunshine, world is great. Can't even find the skyline. Just another restless night. Heartaches from trying to get it right.
So today I took a bus about 45 minutes out of Brisbane to a place called Lone Pine Koala Sanctuary, which has a ton of koalas, but also has other Australian animals, including dingoes and kangaroos and emus, and you can actually get up close and personal with a lot of the animals, which is super cool. So visiting this koala sanctuary isn't that cheap. It's $38 Australian dollars just to get in, and then if you want to hold a koala and have a picture, that's another 25 Australian dollars. So I'll tell you how much that is in USD when I edit this, but that's quite a bit of money, but it goes to help the animals, which is great. And you can actually pet the koala and take a picture without paying extra in addition to the entry fee. So it just depends how bad you want to hold it. It's heavy and it has very sharp claws, and the claws actually dug into my skin a little bit, which was uncomfortable, but it's so cute. The little face is so cute, so that was nice.
Pretty face, pretty baby. You're the only one that's driving me crazy. Oh, 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 oh. In case you need saving, got a whole heart that's yours for the taking. Oh, 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 oh. You're like you aim for.
Don't look now, but there's a kangaroo right behind me. I don't want you to bite me, but you're so cute. Oh, look at all these poops. I just noticed all these poops. In addition to having tons of koalas at this sanctuary, they also have tons of kangaroos, all different types. And they have this open area where you can feed them, you can pet them, you can get right up to them and take a picture or try and take a selfie. There are some animals that aren't even caged up. They're just wandering around like all the other people. See, like this, I don't know, looks like a kimono dragon. One of the zookeepers is taking the dingo out for a walk in the wombat cage, but the wombats aren't there, so it's not going to get eaten. That's a dingo. Right there. She's just out for a walk.
She is friendly. Yep, you can give her a pat just along her back.
Oh my gosh. Oh, you seem sweet. Oh, I was lucky enough to run into them taking the dingo for a walk. I even got to pet it, which is super cool. It looks like such a sweet dog. I think I could easily get in trouble if I saw it in nature and didn't know what it was. I've heard of dingoes eating human babies.
The dingo ate your baby.
So don't want to mess with those.